Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew a glasses case. The pattern is in the description below the video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to support my work and not miss the next tutorials. To make this project you need lining, 4mm thick wadding, an outer fabric, one-meter bias tape, and a 40cm long zipper. Layer the lining, wadding, and fabric. Draw the diagonals and then draw parallel lines 2 cm from the diagonals. Quilt your fabric. Place your pattern on the quilted fabric and cut. Place the bias on the inside of the case, pin and stitch. Turn the bias to the outside. Place each side of the zipper behind the bias on either side of the case. Stitch the whole thing together. Cut off the excess of the zipper. Close the case halfway and turn it upside down. Fold over the corner and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Trim off the excess. Fold over the second corner so that you have the zipper in the middle and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Trim the excess. Place a 7 cm long piece of bias on each corner and stitch. Fold the ends inward and turn the bias over and stitch. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos.